Hello everyone, I am the leader of Group 1 and we will be featuring the different kind of hardware tools.
Hardware tools. To complete hardware repairs, it is important to have a toolkit that should contain the necessary tools. As you gain experience, you will learn which tools to have available for different types of jobs. Hardware tools are grouped into these four categories: easy tools, hand tools, clean tools, and diagnostic tools.
Electrostatic discharge, or also known as ESD tools. The static electricity is easily generated by friction on carpets, tile, flooring, clothing, hair, fabric, and etc. The friction of moving air alone will charge suspended particles and cause the build-up of static electrical charges. Anti-static twist-prop, used to prevent ESD damage to computer equipment.
Anti-static pad, used to stand on or place hardware on to prevent static electricity from building up.
Hand tools. A hand tool is a device for performing work on a material or a physical system using only hand. The hand tools can be manually used employing force and electrically powered using electrical current.
Flathead screwdriver, used to loosen or tighten slots and screws. Phillips head screwdriver, used to loosen or tighten crosshead screws.
Torque screwdriver, used to loosen or tighten screws that have star-like compression in the top. Hex driver, sometimes called a nut driver. It is used to tighten nuts the same way screwdriver tightens screws. Needle nose plier, used to hold small parts. Wire cutter, used to strip and cut wires.
Tweezer, used to manipulate small parts. Part retriever, used to retrieve part from locations that are too small for your hands to feel.
Flashlight, used to light up areas that you cannot see clearly. Cleaning tools. Having the appropriate cleaning tools is essential when repairing or maintaining computers. Using these tools ensure that the computer component is not damaged during cleaning.
Leak quick load, used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris. Compressed air, used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the components.
Cable tie, used to bundle cables neatly inside and outside of a computer. Parts organizer, used to hold screw, jumpers, and fasteners and other small parts and prevent them from getting mixed together.
Loopback adapter, used to test the functionality of computer ports.
Multimeter, used to test the integrity of circuits and the quality of electricity in computer components. I hope you learned something, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.